Hello 226. I'm going to show you how to basically get inside the SDK kit for Rising Storm that will allow you to examine maps from any angle, fly around in them, have a look at different areas of the map. Basically, you start by opening up Steam, and down here you go into Tools, which is in your library menu, Tools. You scroll down to Red Orchestra 2 SDK and double click. It'll fire up your Rising Storm editor. This is the actual Unreal editor. So I'm going to show you how to basically use that once this fires up. This is the 64-bit version for mine. I don't know what you have running on yours, but might be a bit slower. It's got to basically load in all packages that make up the map, the various 3D meshes, skins, etc. So it takes a bit of time. I'll probably edit this out, although I'm kind of lazy, so probably not. Okay. Once it loads up, it'll look like this. This is your content browser. You can close that. This is startup tip. Close that. I would recommend maximizing this window. Typically, mine's set on default, so yours will probably fire up like this. This is the various views of the Unreal editor. This is the top view, side view, and whatever other view. This is the 3D view that you want. So basically, drag this over till you find this button, which is maximize viewport. This will put you into full screen. So next you want to load in whatever map you want. The trick is trying to find it. So you go to File, Open. It should be located in your Steam folder. Mine's in C, Program Files, Steam, and then it's going to be in Steam Apps, Common, and find your Red Orchestra 2. This gets a bit tricky here. Go into the RO game, Cooked PC, and for this, if you want the Red Orchestra 2 maps, you go into here. If you want the Rising Storm maps, you go into here. Click on Maps. There's all the various maps. These are the stock maps. I imagine that if you download custom maps, that will put them in here as well. So let's have a look at Peleliu. So once you click this, basically there's various ROE files. Click on the first, it's the art, and that'll load in all the others. The others are for various other things, the sound file, the particle effects and players, etc. You don't need those. Just double click on the art, and it will load in the entire thing. Again, this will take a little bit of time. It'll say not responding, but it's actually just doing some calculations, so don't worry about it. Again, there's a lot of buttons here. Don't worry about them. You can click whatever you want. This will save it to a temporary file, so you can do whatever you want. It's not going to destroy your stock maps. It saves it in, I think it's My Games, username, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so once you get into the file, basically, I'll just give you a couple of tips on how to get around. Use your arrow keys. First, you got to click on the viewport. You can use your arrow keys up, down, or actually forward, backwards, The right arrow key brings you right, left arrow key brings you left. On the mouse, if you left click and hold, it's the same thing, forward, backwards. Side is rotate. Turn to the left, you'll rotate right. If you press the right mouse button and hold it, you will look down or up, and again side to side. If you hold both buttons at the same time and move, you will elevate or descend. Ascend, descend. And again, this, if you go left or right, you'll basically slide left or right. So what I like to do is get a nice height. I hold both mouse buttons. I get a nice height of what I want to view. And then I just left click or right click to have a view down. And then I just use my arrow keys. So I'll just scroll forward. And as you can see, you can zoom around to various parts of the map and have a look at choke points, cover spots. Here's the massive bunker in the airport that we did a lot of our training in, and I think BCT1 crawled their asses around in here. This is where we did our famous grenade toss into here. So it's pretty handy for having a view of a bird's eye view, basically, of the maps. I know you can walk around in a server or whatever, but it gives you a little bit different vantage point. Anyways, that's about it. When you shut down, just hit File, Exit, and you should be fine. If you save over your maps, don't worry about it. It only goes on a copy. That's it for now.